We saw that the common ground between expat spouses as a community includes both general characteristics and general problems like finding a new job. But even though we have so much in common, each of us faces a unique situation and must find a tailor-made solution to their specific case. Let's consider 4 different people who are examining their professional development options in the host country. Jane is an English-speaking physiotherapist who moved to another English-speaking country. She has a work permit, but needs to pass a 4-part professional qualification exam that spans over a year in order to work in her profession. She and her spouse are on an assignment for an international company that only helps them with the logistics of the move. They expect to stay in the host country for 5 years, and then they'll move to another assignment. Julia is an HR benefits and compensation specialist that speaks French and German. She moved to an English-speaking country. She can get a work permit if a local company fills in an application for her as her sponsor. She has a large expat social group in the same city. She moved with her spouse who's doing his postdoctorate year abroad, and then they'll return to their home country. John is an architect who speaks French, Spanish, and English. As a family, they decided that his spouse will work in an organization that sends people to whole careers abroad, where they specialize in a specific area. His spouse will specialize in Africa, and so they expect to move every 3 years to another African country for the rest of their lives. The organization itself offers some positions to the spouses of its employees, so John can always choose to work alongside his spouse, but not in his profession. Jill just finished her PhD in computer science when they took the assignment to a very conservative country. As the country does not acknowledge same-sex marriages, Jill does not have a work permit. They plan on staying in the host country for 2 years and then move to another company location of their choice. Please note that we did not dive deep into any of the details here. Do they have kids? Do they know anyone in the host country? How many years of experience do they have in their profession? Even without digging too deep, it's clear that these 4 people are facing very different situations. Whether Julia thinks of her year abroad as a vacation or as a crucial year for her career will affect not only her professional record, but also her general happiness and her relationship with her spouse and kids. As I mentioned earlier, there are common solutions to the common problems. We will cover them at some length in this course, but I want you to consider everything we're about to cover as a general template. It will help make sense of this crazy period in your life, but you will need to customize some things so that they will match your specific situation. While we go over the common problems and their solutions, there are 2 questions I want you to keep in mind. First, what do you want to do while abroad? Second, how can you apply the common solutions to your unique situation? Please keep these in mind, and let's talk about settling in.